guys, this is Pooja and you're watching cookwithpooja.com. Today we are going to prepare fried rice. Boiled rice fried in vegetables, sauces, spices in Indo-Chinese style. So let's get started. We need very finely chopped onions, spring onions, some carrot, capsicum, French beans and cabbage. All of them very finely chopped. 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper, salt as per taste, some tomato ketchup, long grain rice boiled. And these are two optional ingredients if you actually want to convert your vegetarian fried rice to a chili garlic fried rice. Some garlic cloves and 3 whole red chilies dipped in water, warm water in fact. That's it with the ingredients. While you are boiling your rice, be a little careful. We don't want the rice to be overcooked. For that, my idea of cooking this rice perfectly is take a deep pan, warm the water in it and then add some salt, and after the water comes to boil, add your rice to it, and after 2 minutes or 3 minutes just remove the excess water, and lots of starch also will go off with the water, and then cook it for 7 minutes until it's almost done, because again we are going to fry this rice with the vegetables. And take out the cooked rice and spread it over a large plate or a paper and let it cool down, and after that we will start sauteing it with vegetables. Let me show you how to make chili garlic paste. For that, take the whole red chilies dipped in water for about an hour now. Take the same water, just a teaspoon of it, not much. Put it in the blender. Add garlic cloves. And I am adding a teaspoon of oil. I am using olive oil. You can use any other oil also if you want. And this goes into the blender until we have smooth paste like stuff. I have blended the chili and garlic together, and this is how my chili garlic paste looks like. I'll just pour it into a bowl. Freshly prepared chili garlic paste is ready. Looks very colorful. Our all ingredients are ready. Chili garlic paste is also ready. So let's start preparing. For that, heat a wok. Add a tablespoon of oil. After that, add spring onions, chopped onions. Just give it a nice mix to them. After that, immediately add the vegetables, carrots, capsicum, French beans, and lastly cabbage. Mix well and saute them until they are soft and tender. Should take about 2 minutes maximum. After 2 minutes, my vegetables are looking soft and tender. They are cooked. Now let's add some chili garlic paste that we prepared. This is completely optional. If you don't like the flavor of garlic or you don't like too much of chili, then you can just omit this step. No need to add this, but I like it, so I'm adding it. This will make my vegetarian fried rice to a chili garlic fried rice. Just a teaspoon of it is more than enough because it's very spicy, made out of whole red chilies. So a teaspoon of that and mix it well. Now let's add some seasoning. Little bit of salt. Not much because we already added salt while preparing boiling rice. And some pepper, black pepper. Give it a toss. After mixing it, now I'm going to add soy sauce. Two teaspoons of soy sauce. Quickly mix it. Next, you can add vinegar. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Give it a nice mix. You can also add a pinch of sugar here. But as I'm completely okay with the flavors of soy sauce, I'm not adding any sugar. Now let's add our rice and give it a nice mix with all the vegetables and sauces. Keep mixing it nicely until you see even colors with all the rice. Let me tell you an even more better way. You should actually try tossing it rather than using more of spatula like this, because that won't break your rice. Rice looks completely done. Let me turn off the flame, and I'm going to garnish it with some spring onion. If you want, you can top it up with a little bit of tomato ketchup, but I like it this way. Perfect fried rice is ready. Looks really colorful. Let me just serve it. What lovely aroma coming, I just can't explain. And perfect color. Delicious vegetarian fried rice is ready. I hope you like this recipe, and for more such international recipes, please stay tuned with cookwithpooja.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe us at Cook with Pooja YouTube channel and like us on facebook.com. Till then, this is Pooja signing off. Bye bye.